What brought me to Denver Health was about 10 years of excruciating pain due to arthritic knees. As I started to age, my snowboarding really started to decline. I started to snowboard less and less. I used to snowboard over 100 days a year, and that was really difficult for me. My first visit with Dr. Hammerberg was great because he seemed to be very open to explaining any of the questions that I had, and he told me to wait as long as I could, which I really appreciated because I've always tried to avoid surgery if I could.
It's always up to the patient whether or not they need surgery. It's x-rays, it's overall physical health, it's overall activity level, and the degree to which you're limited by your knee arthritis. After talking to him, we came to the mutual decision that maybe not yet.
About 2 years after the first visit with Dr. Hammerberg, I started to notice a lot more pain in both of my knees just doing normal activities, so I felt like it was time for me to talk to him again.
Now, he was more functionally limited. He really couldn't do the things that he wanted to do. He couldn't walk the distances he wanted to walk. He couldn't perform the type of snowboarding that he wanted to do. And unlike the way he was when I first met him, it's more of a constant pain, more of a limiting interruption to his life.
My knees are like machines now. They never hurt. I can do pretty much all the activities that I want, and I can do them for as long as I want. It's such a night and day difference. The physical therapy through Denver Health for me was really, really important, and I couldn't have asked for better therapists.
So we started out right after the total knee replacement. He progressed pretty quickly. So kind of by that third or fourth week, he was already doing lunges and squats. And then 6 months, he was already back to snowboarding. So he was really progressing pretty well. He's definitely one of those inspiring patients. I would not be surprised, though, if he's still snowboarding when he's 80, because I don't think he's going to stop.
He's back to doing what he loves, and that's kind of the motivation that keeps us going.
Denver Health completely changed my life. Getting back on skateboards and snowboards and skis was especially satisfying. I'm able to do the things that I could do when I was 20, and I'll never quit doing them thanks to Denver Health. All the work that they've done to get me back to normal health is nothing short of amazing, really.